This is my son Benji. I can't cut his nails with regular dog nail clippers because he went through a traumatic event at a pet store one of the first times we took him there to have his nails cut. He's still very sensitive about touching his paws, but I've kind of worked on that a little bit through exposure therapy. You can see here a little bit that he's kind of okay with me touching his paws, but he's definitely not a fan of it. And I just kind of do this so that he knows that not every time I touch his paws, he's gonna get his nails cut or his nails grinded. I like this nail grinder because it's virtually impossible to hurt your dog or cat using this nail grinder to trim their nails. It is a super high RPM with a dual LED light, so it does 7,000 and 8,000 RPMs. So that little diamond ring moves really, really quickly and just grinds the nails down quite quickly and painlessly. Because the grinder itself is a diamond grinder, you're virtually never gonna have to replace this thing unless you're really crappy at taking care of it. You definitely want to make sure that you wipe it off, clean it off after every use. It's super quiet. I'm going to show you guys here both the 7,000 and the 8,000 RPM setting. And at 8,000 RPMs, the max decibels it reaches is 40. Here we go. The nail grinder is cordless and battery operated, rechargeable battery. The grinder will last about 2 hours and it takes about 3 hours to charge. 2 hours is plenty of time to get multiple grinds out of this thing. Just want to show you guys here on my nails. If I were to use the grinder, I don't think that would be a good idea. Just to show you guys how well it lights up the nails so you can really see what you're doing. I tried to do a clip over here with my dog where I'm kind of showing how I'm grinding down his nails, but you can't really see how close I'm getting to like the pink part of his nails or whatever, so it didn't quite work out. But you can see here with my nails that the light shines directly onto the nail while you're grinding, and it's really easy to see what you're doing so you don't make any mistakes. I'll have a link in the description below for you guys. If you have a pet that's really sensitive about getting their nails cut, or you're not comfortable using a dog or cat nail trimmer, I know I'm not. That's never fun for me. I find that the nail grinder is a lot more comfortable. I feel more comfortable, more safe, that I'm not going to hurt my dog. And also my dog definitely doesn't freak out when I'm using the nail grinder on him. So it's a win-win for both. It's less stress for me, it's less stress for him. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Next up, you should check out one of these two videos that my dog is also in. It's going to change your life. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.